G'day everybody and welcome back to my Aussie garden and kitchen. It's Daz here. I just wanted to show you our walk-in pantry in a bit of a video today because I've been getting a lot more requests for people to actually have a look at it in detail. And I guess after seeing the kitchen in my cooking videos, and most recently I shared a picture of a drawer that I've got in the kitchen with all my organised herbs and spices, people have been asking more and more to see the pantry. So I've gone in and I've filmed it, and let's go have a look at it now. All the different things in sections together. So yeah, it's pretty easy to come in and find whatever we like. We have a nice view outside to our raspberry garden beds in the backyard, and we can see the kids playing. So with the big family, we made sure that we got a sink put in that was a larger sink. That's actually a laundry sink, and that's great because it does big pots and pans and baking trays. And then if we go across here to the bench, this is a workstation for the kids. And over here, they can make their toast or the sandwiches in the sandwich press. They've got a sandwich maker there where they can do filled sandwiches with, say, spaghetti or baked beans or something like that. Plenty of room for them to make their mess and then clean up after themselves. Ha ha ha. And then going down here, these drawers have all the kids' plates and cups, etc. And as you can see, the kids have colour-coded plates and bowls, and then that way, there's no arguments over whose dishes are left in the sink. And of course, we've got the dishwasher, and we've got an indicator there, which tells people whether it's empty, clean, dirty, etc. Coming across from that station, you've got the tea, coffee, and flavoured milk section. And speaking of milk, there's so many different types of milk that get used in this house. So as you can see, we have the different long life milks here. Then of course, if we're making pasta, we've got the pasta section. There's a few stocks there, bouillon as other people say. Some of the canned goods. Pretty much everything we need is all here for our short-term needs. Down below we keep some of the bigger storage like extra rice, sugar-free soft drinks, and then down the bottom there's baskets with extra 2-minute noodles and sauces and sugars and oats and flours and all those other things. And of course I can't forget this section here where we have our condiments and things for toast and sandwiches, and of course the sauces, the ketchup and stuff like that. Fresh bread generally goes on the shelf there. And then this section here is where all the open things are, like opened bread or the opened wraps or anything like that. Coming across, we've got things like toppings for kids' desserts and pancakes and packets of pasta and sauce and our mustards and sauces, and you can see the labels. Pretty much whatever we need is really sort of labelled and in sections together. And as you can see here, this is my dehydrated section and preserve section. Pretty much stuff I make myself, and this is all short-term storage. We just top this up as we need. Long-term storage goes away in a darker, cooler spot. The kids are very big on baking here, and if they don't bake from scratch, we have these mixes here where they can make stuff if they're in a rush or maybe there's a last-minute thing they need to do. And all that stuff goes here. And to help them out with their baking, we've got this section up here, and up above, Mum and Dad can grab all the different devices, pie makers and things like that. And then in the middle section here, if I come in a bit closer, you'll see that you've got colours and cakes and candles and jellies and icing mixes and stuff like that. And then just beside that, we've got a little medical station for headaches and tummies and cold and flu, and always have a fire extinguisher handy. There's a couple around the kitchen. Cleaning, going back the other way, we've got food here for our rainbow lorikeet, and odds and ends here to help the kids with their cooking, and a couple of really large glasses that don't fit into the cupboard. So if the kids want cereal, this is where they come. All the different breakfast cereals. And then we've got flours and sugars and things like that for our cooking needs. Big tubs of gravy mixes. Absolutely love that stuff. Give them a free plug. For all you Aussies out there, this is the stuff that they use in pubs. Absolutely brilliant gravy. We love this stuff. More cooking and breakfast needs here in containers. All labelled, of course. That's brown rice there in those pretzel containers. If we need things stored away, we've got these tubs up here and we can put them there. Maybe items that we use very rarely, different containers and things like that. There's a spare ice machine. My little wok, and of course my big wok is just here. That always hangs here with the wok ring on the side of the fridge. And then just going behind the fridge, we've got a few alcoholic beverages there for the people that like their alcohol. And behind the door we've got a fridge freezer, and this is for all the stuff that generally gets used in the pantry. Because we're such a big family, we've got chest freezers in the garage, and we've got a big double fridge in the kitchen itself. And we've got the frosted glass panel door, and that's there for privacy or to keep the noise down. And the space under the sink, we use that for our dog food. So we'll have the dog food containers there, and we'll just fill up whatever we need and take it out to the dog when we need. So there you go, that's my much requested pantry tour of our short-term pantry storage. Thanks so much for being here and watching my video today. If you wouldn't mind clicking on this video that's appearing on the screen right now, it's going to take you to another one of my videos. And if you don't mind, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up. That does help my video get shared to other people when YouTube sees that. Thanks very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.